Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox ping spikes. Now first of all, go to the home section where you have you can say the shortcut of Roblox player. Otherwise go to the Windows and search for the Roblox, and you will see basically the installed application of Roblox. So just click on open file location, and once you open file location, just right click on it and again click on open file location, and you will be basically sent to this folder Roblox player beta. So just right click on it, click on properties, and once you go inside the properties, so you will be seeing options like these. So just go to the digital signature, which is the last option you can say, and inside the digital signature you will see basically the embedded signatures. That is one Roblox corporation. So just click on it, click on details, and once you click on details, so you will see an option like this. So just click on view certificate, and once you click on view certificate, so you will see certificate information. So just ignore them and just click on install certificate, valid from 9 January to 9 January 6. Install certificate, and store location is current. Don't change it to local machine, just stay as it is. Current user, click on next. Automatically select the certificate store based on the type. Choose this one, click on next, and again click on finish. Now as you can see, the import was successful. Click on OK, 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 click on OK, and after that just restart your, you can say, the PC or laptop. Just restart it, and once you restart it, after that you won't be facing any kind of ping problems or the issues inside your Roblox player. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue.